Hey, good afternoon and a very warm welcome to all of you at the Renu Electronics booth here at Automation Expo 2024. We have been a proud participant of this exhibition for many years now, having been one of the first companies in India to make human-machine interfaces fully developed and manufactured in India for the global market. We are extremely proud that we have a strong presence in the global market now as one of the only companies out of India making such high-tech products for all sorts of industries and markets. So today we are actually exhibiting some of our new solutions. The industry trend appears to be they want more and more open solutions rather than fixed solutions with somebody's software, etc. So you'll see behind me the solutions we are exhibiting that have Android on an industrial platform. So which makes it very easy for our customers to use their applications on an industrial platform. So they don't have to use commercial tablets on industrial machines where they run into problems with temperature, vibration and electrical noise and so on. So we also make similar open systems based on Linux, Windows and similar platforms. Of course, our PLCs, which are the backbone for our industrial solutions, is also very popular. We have launched our new FL55 with a lot of additional I/O modules this year, and we are exhibiting them here at this exhibition. These are the PLCs with very high-speed computing capabilities and lot of various types of I/O compatibility. We are also supporting high-speed counters up to 200 kilohertz, 4 of them. You can do quadrature and also do 4 independent pulse outputs again at 200 kilohertz, essentially very capable of doing multiple axis control on industrial machines. We also are exhibiting our solutions with IoT platforms. We are very happy to announce that we are partnering with Ascent Intellimation, a company in Pune, which is very popular in software solutions for remote controls and monitoring of machines using the IoT technologies. So combined with our hardware, which is very capable of doing all the IoT platforms, this software provides a complete solution for a customer who is looking for remote monitoring and controlling of their systems and machines. We are excited about being able to provide a complete solution for something like this. In addition, we are also exhibiting our new I/O modules, wherein we support all the industrial network communications, including industry standard MQTT, Modbus TCP, and so on, wherein you can actually get your I/Os on Ethernet as well as on Wi-Fi. They are very easily configurable on Bluetooth and are capable of working in remote areas, allowing the customer to fetch the data into their control room without any hassle whatsoever. Our flagship product, which is our industrial HMI, along with its built-in I/O, is doing extremely well. We are supporting many customers on many machines where the customer can use one single hardware solution which can do HMI and at the same time control the machine altogether. It's available in many different sizes and it's very popular, especially for small machines in industries like packaging, textile, pump panel controls, wastewater, and so on and so forth. Our industrial solutions, rugged solutions that you also see behind me with very high quality metal bezels, metal enclosures, suitable for outdoor installations, suitable for installations like oil and gas, mining, off-highway vehicles, etc. Are also very popular, and we are extremely proud to be manufacturing all that completely in India. So truly designed, manufactured and supported from India. We are a part of the Make in India program, proud to be an Indian company which has offices all over the world, including our own subsidiary in Germany with more than 50 German employees and a manufacturing facility there. I believe that our global presence will allow us to scale very well in the near future, and we are looking forward to it. In addition to the factory automation, we are also very active in the domains like mobility. We have a business unit which manufactures or clusters for two-wheelers, four-wheelers, and off-highway vehicles, and also make engine control units and so on. And we have a business unit in building technology, again supporting the entire safety, security, comfort for that market as well. Once again, a very warm welcome to the Renu Electronics booth here at Automation Expo, and thank you very much for the kind attention. Thank you.